Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rocket, where today we will be making this the last tank of our tank family. Let me introduce you to the most sophisticated Perler Bead tank without glue, the Tiger tank. So I decided this is going to be the last tank of the models because I think that three models which are really similar is, I'm pretty sure, enough. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to make more. But personally, I think I made enough. Anyways, guys, this tank is pretty complicated only because of this camouflage. Otherwise, it's pretty simple. It's probably as hard as the mushroom, but anyways, guys, if you want to make it just for fun, for the fun of building, you can just make it one color because it's really easy to mess up all these connectors. But if you're going for the looks, which I did right here, you can make the very similar color pattern, although I just did the random placement of all these colors. I'm pretty sure this is tan, sand, and this dark brown. And also I used black for this model. I used a lot of black for the treads. But anyways, guys, let's get started. All the pieces right here are the pieces we're going to need for the assemble of the tank. So all of these pieces are the turrets, but keep in mind that these are made on a circular pegboard. So these two pieces, these are made on a small pegboard. Whereas this one can be either made on a big circular pegboard. I'm pretty sure you can make it on a big one. But I used this one because I used a small pegboard. Firstly, I made this part, which is this circle. Then I placed it on duct taped it off, and placed black beads in a straight line on the duct tape. Then I flipped it over, ironed it, and then peeled off the duct tape. Not the duct tape, masking tape to be exact. And then I ironed it on the other side. So this is how you make this part, which is pretty complicated, but hopefully you'll get it. All these black parts are the treads. Let me just move them out of the way. Here are these fenders. I'm pretty sure the fenders are on each side of the tank. Here is the main body of our tank. Anyways, guys, let's get started with the assembly. Firstly, we're going to be assembling the tracks. So take all of these black pieces, and we're going to take one of this part and this long part, which is the bottom of the track, and stick it on. Next, we're going to want to take this T and stick it into the holes, making sure that the line for the T is facing out, like so. And then we'll repeat the process on the other side, like this. Next, you want to take the other long piece and stick it in, so that it matches the bottom, like so. Next, we take one fully black piece and we pop it in. Don't worry if you have some problems, I promise you that you're going to get it in. So this is how one tread should look like. Next, I'm just going to quickly assemble the other tread. Oh, and also, guys, please don't forget to join the Discord group, which I'm going to leave in the description. Okay, so I'm almost done this part. Also, guys, I'm going to be making an ocelot for the next tutorial, and also it has the same type texture. So if you have enough of the beads, you're probably going to be able to make it. So finally, I finished both treads. Time for step 2, which we're going to be assembling the main body. For the second step, you're going to be needing all of these desert colored pieces, because this desert color is just because these are desert operations. You can also, I'm pretty sure you can make it green for like these jungle operations. But anyways, you take this part, which is supposed to be like this, and then you're supposed to cut it right here, and you repeat the process on the other side, like so. And you have to make 2 of these. So first, we're going to take one and push it in, making sure that it covers the whole part. But before you do, you see this part, it doesn't cover it. So we want to make sure that we first fold it down, like so. Make sure it's pointing inwards, and then we stick it in, like so. because we want these to be like fenders, which are covering the tracks from these bullets, like so. Then we repeat the same step on the other side, on the other tread to be exact. So like so, stick it in, and bam, like this. Both of our treads are finished. Now it's time to assemble the body. So right now we're going to be assembling the main body of it. So first we're going to take the bottom. I mean, these are both identical, but I'm just going to make this the bottom. And next we're going to take this part and we're going to push it in, making sure that this bead is facing this two-hole side, like so. Actually, no, flip it over. I accidentally made a mistake. So first you have to make these two beads face the two-hole, face the two-hole gap, like so. And then we repeat the process on the other side of this, like this. Oh, why do I keep messing up? Okay, like this. Next, we're gonna take this little square, which is kind of deformed, and we place it in, like so. Finally, we take this thing and push it on the top. And for the very last part of our body, we stick this part into the other side. Next, we can just take this square and this weird rectangle with a hole in the middle, and we basically put the square into the hole and push it into the hole on this side. Next, we're going to take both of the treads, and making sure that this is the front, we push it in with these holes aligning with these ones. So, yeah, and not going. Okay, this might be challenging, especially if you under iron your pieces. That's what happened to mine. Okay, finally. Now, for the funnest part, we're going to be assembling the turret. Don't forget about the way to assemble this, as I stated at the beginning. Firstly, we're going to take the bottom, stack it on top, and then we're just going to push it through, like this. Next, we're going to take the top and push it into this hole. Oh no, I kind of punctured the table. Okay, I'm just gonna push it through this way. It's not the easiest thing to do, but as you see, I've got it through. Like this. And then we push it into the hole, which is gonna be about here. And this is how the tank should look like. I also added at the beginning of the video these little soldiers that were climbing on top so that you can add it to your army, as I said at the very first video, I'm pretty sure. It was the very first tank, actually. But anyways, guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and comment, because I really like when you guys tell me what I should do in the future. But anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video, where we're hopefully gonna get to make the ocelot. Goodbye.